Some more news from the US. In fact, the US Supreme Court has now stepped in as the government shutdown deepens. On Friday, the court allowed the Trump administration to withhold about $4 billion needed to fully fund SNAP benefits for 42 million low-income Americans this month on a temporary basis. In fact, Justice K.B. Jackson issued what's called an administrative stay. So this lasts for basically about 2 days, but it gives the lower court more time to consider the administration's request to fund only part of the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program for November. Now remember, this move comes after a Rhode Island judge ordered the government to fully fund SNAP by Friday, criticizing the administration for withholding these benefits for what he called political reasons. Now the administration meanwhile pushed back hard, warning that the ruling would sow further shutdown chaos and also create, in their words, a run on bank by judicial flood. In fact, the First Circuit Court of Appeals rejected the administration's request for a pause, which is why the government has now rushed to the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, the USDA also sent states a memo saying that the funds be made available to fully cover November SNAP benefits, even as the administration was in court trying to block that very same order. So that a mixed messaging has now sort of triggered widespread confusion. Still, states including New York, New Jersey, they have gone ahead and told agencies to issue full benefits. In fact, Massachusetts governor has now said that President Trump should never have put the American people in this position. For now, the aid remains in limbo and millions of American households are waiting for clarity as the shutdown continues and the administration has now knocked the doors of the Supreme Court.